Every piece that's shattered still reflects the light. Every crack a memory, and every sound becomes a song. Like we're shattering the silence, we're rising to fight, shouting in the quiet, you're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us, but none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes, we're still survivors, dreamers and fighters. No lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side. Every scar, every sound, it's proof we're alive. The silence is gone, and this is what it Every piece that shattered still reflects the light. Every crack a memory, and every sound becomes a song. I broke into a million pieces, and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony, my voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should have let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony, the song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. We're shattering the silence, we're rising to fight, shouting in the quiet, you're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us, but none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes, we're still survivors, dreamers and fighters. No lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side. Every scar, every sound, it's proof we're alive. The silence is gone, and this is what it sounds like.